Hey guys, I'll be opening a new external hard drive for my which I use for my projects. So far, I have exhausted all the external hard drives that are available for my disposal. So now I'll be opening a new unit of external hard drive which has 4 terabyte capacity. But before that, I will show you why I'm doing this. My first external hard drive used to be the iOmega hard drive. It has 232 gigabytes capacity, but at one time it fell on the floor, and then I couldn't access the files anymore. I had it repaired, and the guy that repaired transferred to a new shell which came in this box. So it was transferred. The content, the hard drive from this original thing was transferred by the repair guy to this one. This contains also this is still the same 232 gigabytes with a different housing. And look at this one, the cord was USB to the computer, and this one, what do you call this one? This 3.5 inch IDE to USB extension enclosure with removable 80 millimeter fan. So this is now at the back. It shows with a fan, but I just emptied and I just removed and transferred the files, the 232 gigabyte files, to another hard drive. And this one I reformatted and will be using this for some non-delicate files which I have to save in here. So this is empty, 232 gigabytes of external hard drive, but this is an old one. So this is the second hard drive that external hard drive that I purchased. This is Easystore with a capacity of 650 gigabytes. It came, the cord is this one, USB plus, let me see. So look at the cord, the small thing which I also use for my camera, video cam, and all other small gadgets that is also used to charge my cell phone. And this is the power cord with a capacity of 650 gigabytes. This has only 20 gigabytes in here, but I plan to also remove the files in here because this contains family photos and other documents, and it also fell on the floor already, but still I can access the files. So before that unfortunate thing happens, I have to remove the files in here and transfer it to another one. So we're done with the second hard drive that I have, and this one is my Passport Ultra WD 2 terabyte with it's also almost fill up with files. 25 megabytes disk empty. This has got a lot of videos for my production that I did in the past, and then I want to preserve the original files. This is the small one, 2 terabyte with only disk empty space of 25 megabytes. So I really need to buy one. So now I will be opening my new external hard drive, which is also of the WD Easystore portable backup plug and play. It's got 4 terabytes. Comes with a 2 years warranty. When I purchased it at the store, it says that this is not yet formatted because This one is designed to work for Windows 10 and for the Mac. So when I want to use this, I have to format it for Windows 10 because I mainly use two computers or two notebooks which are both with an operating system of Windows 10. It's got Windows install WD software and also Mac OS setup time machine. So it says requires reformatting. It says that it has this is a portable hard drive with a USB 3.0 cable, with a WD discovery software, with WD backup and WD drive utilities, plus quick install guide. This is compatible with Windows 10 or 8.1 or 7. But okay, I won't be formatting this for Windows 10. It only says in here that this will require for reformatting if I will be using this from the Mac OS. So I will be able to test this also. I will be opening this now. Packaging is very safe, like with a box, and then inside the plastic thing. Okay, protection, another protection, says WD Easystore with plastic for plus this hello, and then it comes with a USB 3.0 short, about less than 2 feet, about 1.5 or something. Yeah, the difference with between the 2.0 USB and the 3.0 is the way this thing looks. Look, the opening for the plug. It's like a letter B. So the plug is this one. Plug it in. You're ready to go, because I don't need formatting for this. And this is since it is backwards compatible, the end of the cord of the USB is a 2.0 USB. Now I'll be reading some of the stuff for warranties and everything, and this one. So now I have to show you and compare the old. This is my Ultra Passport, WD Ultra Passport 2 gigabytes, and this is the WD Easystore. It's the same size. Okay, it's the same size. The same size. And this is silver, and this is black. This is black. Look, black and silver. It already shows my usage for the past few years. And although this one has a warranty of 2 years before, it has lasted beyond that. This contains a lot of my files. This one is the new 3.0 and backwards compatible to 2.0 WD Easystore. So that's all. So I think we can go on, because I have to remove some of the files that I use when I make videos from the computer. It's lagging. The speed of the computer is kind of affected because of a lot of files that are graphics, and it hogs so much of the memory of my computer. So that's all, guys. This is my new one, Easystore portable backup plug and play WD, backwards compatible to 2.0 USB, but this one is 3. Although products are coming out with a new one, the 3.1 plus some other stuff, but it will come sometime. But So far, we are assured that we have enough in external hard drive to save our projects in whatever files that we have. Let's take a close-up of the two hard drives that I have. Anyway, also guys, thanks for watching and hope you will subscribe to my channel, and please don't get tired coming back to my YouTube channel. And then thank you for the support and see you next time.